You're drinking.
No, no.
You just started drinking in front of me.
No, it's
I saw the straw.
It's just a tap.
You've tried hard with the DIY there, I can tell. Are those staples?
No. Yellow rubber, smell of metal, and furry squirrel at the end. Okay, you know what? Hey guys, what's up? It's Wengie, and I can't figure it out what I want to say. Hugs. Today I'm going to be doing Troom Troom life hacks and craft reviews for you guys. I see you, Troom Troom. You're everywhere. Whenever I click through one of my own videos, the next suggested video is a Troom Troom video. And why wouldn't it be suggested? With thumbnails like these. So today I decided to test some Troom Troom crafts and DIYs. Also, if you have any particular DIYs or hacks you actually want me to test, let me know down below in the comments and I'll make a video to do that. Let's get into it. So this particular DIY is showing us how to sneak gadgets into class.
What a boring class! The girls need to come up with something. Cindy just so happens to have a musical pencil sharpener. Take apart a pencil sharpener of a suitable size. Cover it with decorative tape.
Luckily, I found a sharpener of a suitable size and prepared some washi tape. Magic. Alright guys, so it looks like I gotta get some washi tape and we're gonna peel this. So one thing you don't see is how hard it is to peel washi tape with these nails. This one got broke. Very sad. Finally, we are peeled. So I guess the purpose of this is to hide the fact that the container is see-through, so you can't see inside. All right, so there's the first strip. I really like the silver. Let's get some more silver.
5 minutes later.
All right, we're ready to cover up all evidence of seeing through this suitably sized pencil sharpener. All right, pretty good. What's next?
Put an MP3 player inside.
I don't have one. I think it's been like 10 years since I've had an MP3 player. What is this? Do I have it? Do I have one? I was not prepared for this DIY. I might be able to do the next part. Let's watch.
Plug headphones into the pencil sharpener and sneakily turn on some hype music.
Hype music? What is hype music? Let's turn on some hype music for this DIY. Maybe it will make me feel excited. But you know what? I do have some headphones. Put it in like that. How do I get it through? I'm trying to I mean you can, yeah, but do I have to remove the pencil sharpener? They didn't tell me to remove it, but okay, I'm making up steps here. Now this is not obvious.
Oh, teacher, I'm sneaking an MP3 player.
Yes, you can't see the actual MP3 player, but oh, what's this? Headphones. This is great. Let's pretend I have hype music on. You gonna give me detention now? I'm not really listening to music. It's a sharpener. I'm done.
Our secret party is going very well so far. The teacher doesn't notice anything.
Nope, doesn't notice a thing. Look at that.
One moment and our school dance turns into a New York street party.
New York street party! Okay guys, if I actually had to sneak music into class, I've got a better idea for you guys. Put the MP3 in your pocket, but you sneak up your sleeve. Say I'm having a long sleeve, right? And you do this. See? Don't need a DIY for that. I gotcha. But you know what? I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt and I'm gonna put this DIY to the test. I'm gonna pop this on the table and put my earphones in. I'm gonna get Max to come in and see if he knows that I'm not listening to music. All right, guys? Max, you can come in now.
Yeah? What?
I want you to come and tell me what I'm doing.
What's up?
What am I doing?
You're listening to headphones.
No, I'm not. It's my sharpener. I'm studying.
Wait, but you got headphones coming out of your sharpener.
No, I don't.
What do you mean? What are you talking
You're
about?
supposed to not be able to tell I'm listening to music.
Is this what you've been doing the last hour?
No?
You're listening.
No, I'm
You've
not.
got something in the sharpener.
It's nothing. Look.
Well, you're just crazy. Then what are you doing? Why are you listening to an empty sharpener?
So this DIY shows you how to sneak candy into class. I'm pretty proud of my versions of sneaking candy into class. So if you guys haven't watched it, check it out. Yeah, let's see if this turns out better than sneaking an MP3 player into class.
Mr. Sebastian is wearing a weird tie today. Is this actually a new trend in fashion?
No, it's not. I've never seen anyone wear a tie like that.
He's definitely hiding something. Sebastian tries to distract the students.
He's hiding something. His fashion ability.
And meanwhile, he carefully adjusts the knot on the tie and drinks his favorite chocolate milk.
Why is a teacher sneaking chocolate milk into class? He's gonna get in trouble from his students? It's okay, we'll just keep watching. Let's see if it gets better.
Cover a plastic shirt collar bend with yellow velour. Cut off the excess and sew it.
It's happening too quickly. All right, seems halfway through the DIY and it's been about 2 seconds. So I didn't have velour or that weird plastic thing that I don't know where to find it. I don't know if you guys can, but I've got alternatives. I've got felt and floral wire because I figured you just needed to make a neck shape thing. All right, let's get into the DIY. So in the 2 seconds they've shown me, I need to cut a strip and it's gonna fit around my neck. Let's measure that. So we have this, and then what we want to do is fold this in half. And you know what? They stitched it, but I'm too lazy. So I'm gonna staple it with my flamingo. This is a life hack, guys. If you're too lazy to sew, just staple. This is not a very ergonomic stapler. It's actually very difficult to staple, but kind of cute. All right, guys, so this is my little neck thing, and then you kind of go around and you tie it together like a necktie. Let's keep watching.
Fasten a tie from a collapsible plastic vase. Use double-sided tape.
A collapsible plastic vase. It's like a normal thing. You can just get it at the store. If I was running the DIY, I would say just get a regular Ziploc bag. Ooh, I didn't know these existed. All right, let's continue. We're gonna fold it in half and then do this weird thing. All right, so now I'm gonna make it look like a tie by folding in 2 triangles like this, and taping it down. That kind of looks like a tie.
Iron it through parchment paper.
Iron it, it's gonna melt. I'm not going to do that, sorry.
Hot glue the top halfway.
Hot glue the top halfway. You know what? I have a Ziploc. I don't need to hot glue the top. I can just Ziploc the top halfway. Ooh, hacks.
Attach the tie to the base.
You know what? I'm gonna staple it. Stapled everything already, might as well staple this. Don't need hot glue. I'm winning in life.
Wrap it with fabric and sew it.
Okay, we're gonna wrap it with fabric. You know what? I kind of feel like my tie is gonna look better than theirs. I'm going to fold this in half, right? Cut. So guess what? See that? Covers it entirely. And then we're gonna cut the shape in to match. Let's trace the shape. All right, so this is our guide. I'm gonna leave some edges. So you know what? I can staple it. So there we go. See that? Beautiful. This looks more like a tie than what I think their one looks like. Staple that to the back. Trim off the excess. Voila! I just need to staple the front and we good. Look at this. Beautiful.
Put a flexible tube into the hole. Pour in your drink through a funnel.
Flexible tube, please appear. Okay, we have a straw. I have just been informed we don't have a funnel. So I'm just gonna try and pour it manually into my Ziploc bag. I've managed to staple all the openings together. All right, that's okay. Ooh, I see a little opening. All right, let's pour some water in. Okay, I'm gonna do it away from my laptop in case I break that. Okay, pour. Hey, I'm not doing bad. I'm not spilling a thing. Okay, it's getting heavy. Let's pretend this is chocolate milk. And then I'm gonna pop my straw in. Okay, that was a lot of work. All right, we have a new tie. Good. I'm sneaking some water. Can't tell I'm drinking. I'm feeling a little bit ridiculous. I'm not sure this is the best way to sneak chocolate milk into class. What do I know? Let's just test it. Max!
What?
Can you just like come here?
Okay. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
What's that yellow thing around your neck? What is it?
It's a tie. It's the new trend.
Looks like a baby's bib. What are you doing with it?
What am I doing with it?
You're drinking.
No, no.
You just started drinking in front of me.
No, it's
I saw the straw.
It's just a
You
tie.
got a straw coming out of it.
Doesn't it look good?
You've tried hard with the DIY there, I can tell. Are those staples?
No. So apparently these are funny hacks that work magic. Honestly, don't even know what that means, so let's just have a look.
Yellow color, smell of rubber, and squirrel fur on the metal end of a pencil?
I cannot comprehend what they just said. Yellow rubber, smell of metal, and furry squirrel at the end. Okay, you know what?
It's Edward Brush Hands.
Edward Brush Hands.
Ah!
Can we replay that scream one more time?
Ah!
Is that an accurate depiction?
It's my friend. She's always inventing something. She's got brushes instead of her fingers today.
You know what? I did say I'm gonna test these DIYs, so I guess I'm going to have to make this.
You'll need broken tops of old brushes.
Alright guys, so I found my rubber glove. I didn't have 5 broken tops of paintbrushes lying around, but I do have these 4 paintbrushes. I'm gonna try and snap these myself. Let's see how strong I am. Oh! 1. My heart is breaking with these paintbrushes. 2. You know what? This is easier than I thought. 3. 5. Alright, we have 4 broken tips of brushes. They're not squirrel fur, but close enough.
Put a rubber glove on your hand. Drop hot glue on the glove finger.
Seriously? You want me to put hot glue on my fingers? Even though there's a glove in the way, it kind of sounds dangerous. Alright guys, this is dangerous, but we're gonna do it. Okay, so... Ah! Dropping hot glue everywhere. Alright guys, we're gonna put hot glue on the tips of our fingers. Oh my gosh, I can actually feel the warmth a little bit. So if your fingers are longer than mine, don't try this at home. Okay. Alright. What am I doing with my life? Like seriously, why am I doing this? Alright. Last one. Alright guys, while I'm waiting for this to dry, let's watch.
Paint a masterpiece of modern art using this awesome glove.
Alright guys, time for my masterpiece. My fingers don't go that way. Okay, we got this. Hey, paint get. I didn't put enough hot glue. Okay, we work with 3 colors now. Lots of control, guys. Lots of control. I know exactly where I'm placing my colors. Okay, we're just gonna mix the colors in there. Right? Oh, we have 1 color left. Okay. Yellow, Mr. Yellow. It's your time to shine. And we are done. The brush tips come with the artwork.
The Edward Brush Hands by Wengie. Colors intertwining with physical remnants from its creation, this work is a true masterpiece of modern art. Please enjoy this wonderful spectacle.
How much would you pay for this modern piece of art? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed me testing these Troom Troom craft DIYs. Let me know if there's any other ones you want me to test down below, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye guys, love you! Mwah! Good.